Hey there, pal! Looking for work? But sick of being pushed around by lousy bosses? How would you like to run and manage your own business? Well, all we need from you is a little paperwork and your soul. Become a Fazbear franchisee. You're more than family, you're the star. We've got a little fixer-upper for you. There's lots of work here to do, so let's start. Cut some corners if it makes you a profit. I promise you're gonna go far. Frozen pizza's the best, not one ingredient's fresh, but just tell the customer they are. All these animatronics have made us so famous. They've got a history, almost all of it's heinous, but they make us so much money, how could anyone blame us? Salvage all the old ones, shouldn't be dangerous. the frontal lobe removal's rather painless. Better that to happen than for us to go bankrupt. And remember, if you ever get hurt on the job, unfortunately corporate cannot cover your loss.
Come on down to Freddy's and we'll make a tycoon of you. Invest all of your savings, cause you're gonna double it soon. Minimize the casualties and please just don't get us sued. Every shift will be fun if you get your duties done and clean all the blood off your shoes.
Just kidding, it's only marinara, you nincompoop. But accidents do occasionally happen. Here are some precautionary instructions in case of a mishap. Entertainment upgrades have a price. Minor injuries are a workplace sacrifice. With the animatronics you always want to play nice and keep a safe distance, that's solid advice. Oh, children love to play, boy can they make a mess. We know how much you'd love to strangle them by their necks.
Just tell those little brats to give Freddy a hug, and when it's done, sweep whatever's left of them under the rug.
Because a bad reputation cannot be afforded. Don't get rid of the problem, just get rid of the corpses. Sanitation is of strictly minimal importance, and if police are at the door, make sure they've got proper warrants. Ethics and morals are completely subjective. As long as you prosper, you need nothing corrected. If anything breaks, don't sweat, train wreck. We'll just take it out of your next paycheck.
Come on down to Freddy's. You ought to stay for a while. If any children go missing, just don't let that go unfound. Don't get any blood on the carpet, it's easier cleaning the tile. And if a kid ends up dead, kill all the witnesses next and make sure it's done with a smile.
Now what? You want a raise? Maybe after another couple days. Order more decorations to cover the walls with, and take remaining appendages out of the ball pits. When bodies start rotting, you'll know for sure. Take your mind off it with another high score, and we'll have a performance, you and Freddy together, and this family franchise that'll go on forever.
Come on down to Freddy's. We'll suck the soul out of you. A worship can be deadly, but we'll bring you back to life soon. Maximize the casualties. At this point, we're gonna get sued. And before you can leave, clean all the carpets with bleach, and we'll make a monster of you.
They keep creeping towards the door. My stomach twists like a worm beneath the lure. My heartbeat escapes like a phonograph. All machines were built to last, but they keep creeping towards the door. They keep creeping towards the door. Their bodies freak like they're carrying a corpse. Their footsteps creak as they circling, and the power's running thin, but they keep creeping towards the door. The phone that tells me that there is no danger, but I suspect that things will get much stranger. Something about his room is hypnotizing, paralyzing, terrifying. They keep creeping towards the door. My backbone shakes like a tremor on the floor. My kneecaps quake, why don't I just grab horror block that's to be fed? Cause they keep creeping towards the door. This furry phone is masquerade like they're cute. The kids don't notice cause they think they're cartoons. Oh, don't look now, I think that Freddy's on route. Deadly versus sweaty version. danger, but I suspect that things will get much stranger. Something about his room is hypnotizing, paralyzing, terrifying.
Let me take you on a journey below, where you forget about reality and all that you know. Stuck inside a glitch like an animatronic that broke. Someone is pulling the strings, we're the stars of the show. Welcome to the cemetery of abomination. The forgotten monsters got coffins vacant. If you come with us, we got a coffin waiting. You know you got to run when we all awaken. Who do we trust? What do we need? This is Inception and I went a level too deep. Between the lines I need to read, so we can be released from these evil dreams. It's RPG, it's hard to beat, so many secrets that they keep beneath. Want some pizza? Come and eat a piece. Sing the chorus, make it cheesy, please.
I'll be a friend right till the end. Join the party. Don't be afraid, we'll find our way. Join the party. Follow the pack, we'll have a blast. Join the party. I'm here for you, we'll make it through. Join the party.
There's more to this than simple 8-bit gimmicks. Every line of dialogue has gotten awful cryptic. If I'm picking a fight, then I'm gonna finish it. Foxy, jump scare, how'd you miss it? Digit cats that attack, mimic it quick. Bonnie's getting us buffed with his sick riff. Fights and chips, tricks, gifts and glitches. Living on the flip side, life is twisted. The hands of time will not stop ticking. Find all the clocks, this is your mission. Gotta slide open, need to fill the position. Which one of you will make the most efficient decision?
We're all broken, but we got these tokens. You can just ask Fredbear how we keep it golden. I'll be a friend right till the end. Join the party. Don't be afraid, we'll find our way. Join the party. Follow the pack, we'll have a blast. Join the party. I'm here for you, we'll make it through. Join the party. Graveyards and dungeons, darkness, disaster, death and destruction, vented and shattered. If we're just puppets, who is our master? This ain't the end yet, it's just the next chapter.
I was an animatronic, but I became a weapon with a pretty dark past that I ain't forgetting. Don't mess with us unless you want a painful lesson, because we're dishing out bites like it's 87. You will never be safe, we got insane aggression. It ain't a question why we became an obsession. We will not be slaves to Scott Games forever. my birthday. We went to Fazbear's, that was the worst day. Home alone in this awful darkness. I don't even know where my dad or mom is. Never been a fan of animatronics. Can I get a grown up to check out my closet? Just heard a noise, I don't know where it went. To the right or the left, is it under my bed? This must be a joke and it's all in my head. But what if I'm in hell and I'm already dead? Calm down, take it slow. Check the halls, listen close. Shut that door, better keep it closed. What's behind it, I don't wanna know. Fazbear's Pizza, thought it was gone. Freddy and his friends are far from done. Did you hear that? Now here they all come. 5 long nights and I'm only on one.
Welcome home, girls and boys. Time to play with brand new toys. Nightmares lurk inside your mind. Now no place is safe to hide. Nowhere to run, so why not join the fun? At night we come to life. Come closer, we don't bite.
I don't believe that for 1 second. Gonna keep my distance and I'll be pleasant. If you wanna be my friend, then prove it. I got a flashlight and I know how to use it. That's right, step back from me. I'll snap at you if you snap at me, and then I'll flash you when you try attacking me. I hope that I don't run out of batteries. Oh my god, I'm on my own. Left alone and I'm not that old. Wish there was a lock on the door. Where am I now? This is not my home. Oddly enough, feels like I'm not alone. Well, sorry guys, but you got to go. My mom and dad are not comfortable with robots watching me when I'm all alone.
Welcome home, girls and boys. Time to play with brand new toys. Nightmares lurk inside your mind. Now no place is safe to hide. Nowhere to run, so why not join the fun? At night we come to life. Come closer, we don't bite.
Things haven't been the same since my birthday. We went to Fazbear's, that was the worst day. I'm crying out now, somebody help me. Cause when I open up my eyes, they surround me. Why did it have to be me? And nobody else believes me. Will nothing here give me peace? Maybe death will set me free. No, I'm not giving up easy. Ain't gonna let a cupcake eat me. You're not real, I call your bluff. That scare was real enough. Even when they're not in business, I'm number 1 on Fredbear's hit list. Time for the nightmares to go away.
Nobody told you we're here to stay. Welcome home, girls and boys. Time to play with brand new toys. Nightmares lurk inside your mind. Now no place is safe to hide. Nowhere to run, so why not join the fun? At night we come to life. Come closer, we don't bite.
I've just picked up a new job, but I'm hoping it ain't hard. After all, it's a night shift. I'll be working the graveyard. Urban legends aside, I think I'll be fine. There's no way these things are alive. It's just a robot with nothing inside, right? Not like I'm fighting to survive. What was that noise? Bonnie is gone. Honestly, my skin is starting to crawl. Something is coming, they're walking the halls, and now that my power is starting to fall, I'm sick of seeing all these sinister faces. Why am I working for minimum wage? If I could be killed, they should give me a raise. Why did they hire me? This is insane.
Enjoy your 5 long nights. Kick back and grab a slice. If you get hurt on the job, we cannot cover your loss. 6 to 6 and you'll be fine.
What's with all of these accidents happening? And what's still in business that is baffling? All these cameras had better be accurate. I can't imagine if they get their hands on me. Got a long past full of tragedy. What was the bite of 87? Actually, why does it seem like every damn event at Freddy's is no less than a massive catastrophe? You don't need to reiterate the gravity of making sure I don't run out of batteries, or they might reconfigure my anatomy, adding me to the mechanical family.
Enjoy your 5 long nights. Kick back and grab a slice. If you get hurt on the job, we cannot cover your loss. 6 to 6 and you'll
Stay in your designated places, no need to come to the back office. I smell a foul odor, I think it's getting closer. I'm having hallucinations, how much longer till the night is over? Maybe the place is haunted, and all they want is closure. But I really don't give a damn, I just wanna clock out and knock back a cold one. Chica's tweaking out, now Foxy's peeking out. Freddy is creeping around, I'm losing my power just keeping him out.